Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to navigate through my course. So I'm going to click into the course. Here you're going to find that this is like the landing page. It's the general channel. You're going to find your posts and your assignments up here, which are mainly the two that you're going to be needing to use. So every day I'm going to post a warm-up. When you first log in, you should first do that warm-up. On Mondays, I'm also going to post a to-do list for the week. So this weekly to-do list tells you all the things that you have to do that week for my class. This is just an example of one. Here are the assignments. So once I post this, the assignments are usually going to be posted right underneath it. So these two assignments are due at the end of the week or in the beginning of the next week by Monday. And then here are the attendance warm-ups for the week. Also, these are for the office hours. This is if you want to join the office hours, you have to come to the general post, and on the day and time of the office hours, which are Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1 p.m. for 6th graders, and Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 1 p.m. for 7th and 8th graders. You will come and click on to here. You'll be able to speak to me live, and I can show you, can help you with assignments. I can show you how to do any functionalities here on the computer, and it will also at times serve as a time to review together and to play Kahoot or do Quizlet live. So it's really important that you keep track and that you try to join at least once a week for updates, even if it's just to stop in for 10-15 minutes. Okay, now let's say that you don't come into the general channel or you just want to go straight to your assignments. You can always click the assignments tab, and there you'll find all your assignments. It also shows you if you've turned it in or if you haven't. So this is the teacher view, so it shows who has and hasn't turned it in, but on yours it should show you if yours has been turned in or not. Go back to the post page. And then I want you to take a look over here. So over here you see two channels. You have the general channel. So the general channel is where I'm going to be posting your to-do list, your attendance warm-ups, where the meetings come from, like all the office hours come out of here. Now, your collaboration channel is for you to speak with other students in the class, or if you want to get my attention, you can always type @ and then the person's name, and that will highlight the person's name and tag them and let them know that you're looking to talk to them. So this is being used as a way to talk to classmates and to the teacher. You can lose privilege of using this if you put anything inappropriate, or if you have or if you're bullying or being rude to other students on this channel. So this is called the collaboration channel, and that's just to speak to friends or to try to speak to the teacher. General is where you find the information for the course. Well, that's a quick walkthrough. I hope this helps.